Good morning all. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be discussing on computer networking question and answers. Question number 4. The question is, what are special IP addresses? Okay. So here I have made a table for all the classes of IP addresses. So you can mention any one or two IP addresses based upon the time complexity. Okay. So the first column represents the type of IP address. The second column is the range, and the last column is the purpose or use of the category of IP address. So the first one is the network address. Network address are normally used to identify the specific network. Okay, please keep in mind this address is not used to assign any IP address for a system. Okay, it is for the whole network. So the range is 192.168.1.0. Okay, this is one of the network address. Okay, for /24 series. And next we have broadcast address. Broadcast address are normally used to send the information to all the systems at a time. Okay. So one of the example I have given is 192.168.1.255. This is also for /24 series, and it is something like we can specify 255.255.255.255. So sending information to all the systems of the particular subnet or to the entire network. Okay. For that purpose, we are using broadcast address. Next, we are using what is known as loopback address. Loopback address normally used to test your own local system. Okay, here I have given the testing the TCP/IP stack of the local host. So these are the common ranges we are using. Class A range 127.0.0.0.2, 127.255.255.255. So commonly we are using this address as the loopback address 127.0.0.1. Okay. Next we have automatic private IP addresses, or we can call it as a link local address. So these are the private addresses that are automatically assigned by the DHCP protocol, that is the dynamic host configuration protocol. So the range is 169.254.0.02, 169.254.255.255. Next we have private address. So I have mentioned for all the three classes, that is class A, class B, and class C. So these are the range of class A private address, that is 10 series, and class B private IP address is from 172 series, and the class C private address that starts from 192 series. Okay. So please keep in mind these are only the private addresses that can use on a local area network. These can't be used to communicate globally. Okay. So if you want to communicate, then we need to use what is known as NAT, that is network address translator. Okay. The more information about NAT, you can watch my previous videos. Next we have what is known as multicast address. So the multicast address is something like sending information to a group of systems in a subnet. Okay. So one of the range we are using is 224.0.0.02, 239.255.255.255. So normally we are sending to a group of devices, okay, in a subnet. So we have few addresses reserved for experimental purpose, or I can say for future use, for the research. So these are the range 240.0.0.02, 255.255.255.254. And lastly, we have one specific IP address that can indicate a default router or that identifies the all hosts. So that is not known to the DHCP protocol also. Such specific IP address we call it as 0.0.0.0. Okay. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Bye.